Want to know how to clear voice scan history on Snapchat? Sometimes, due to all the searches and stacked up history, your Snapchat gets slower and slower. It only takes few steps to clear voice scan history on Snapchat. Hello everyone, welcome back to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to clear voice scan history on Snapchat. So without any further ado, let's get started. Open your Snapchat on your device. Click on the profile icon at the top left of your screen. Tap on Settings icon at the top right of your screen. On the Settings page, scroll downwards. Under Account Actions, tap on Clear Voice Scan History. Tap on Clear. There you go, the simple steps will show you how to clear voice scan history on Snapchat. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.